Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the aboxoo round nesting coffee table set, a versatile and stylish addition to any living space. This set features two elegant tables with a white faux marble tabletop and a sturdy black steel frame, perfect for the living room, bedroom, balcony, or even your office. The larger table measures 23.6 by 17.7 inches, while the smaller one is 15.7 by 15.7 inches, allowing you to use them separately or nest them together to save space. With its unique semicircular legs and circular tabletops, this coffee table set not only adds a touch of modern elegance to your decor but also offers high durability with its scratch-resistant and waterproof surface. Whether you're using it as a coffee table, side table, cocktail table, or even a dining table, this set is designed to meet all your needs both indoors and outdoors. The high-quality, rust-resistant metal legs ensure stability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for any setting. Plus, it comes with all the assembly tools you need, so setting it up is a breeze. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.